Last month, a customer drove into my workshop with a car that looked perfectly fine from a distance. But up close, it was a different story. Rust had quietly started eating into the door edges, the underbody was flaking, and even the suspension bolts looked like they were about to snap. He told me he had already spent thousands of rupees on branded rust removers, but nothing gave him long-term results. That's when I showed him a simple bottle of phosphoric acid, something that costs a fraction of those products. Within minutes of applying it, the rust began to dissolve and turn black right in front of him, and he couldn't believe how fast it worked. This isn't magic, and it's not a gimmick. It's pure chemistry that professionals rely on every day. And in this video, I'm going to break down the science, the real-world results, and the exact method you can use to remove rust permanently without wasting money again. First, let's discuss why most rust removers are a waste of money. Here's something most people don't realize. Studies in the automotive maintenance industry show that over 70% of commercial rust removers are simply diluted chemical solutions, often containing less than 30% active ingredients. What you are really paying for is branding, packaging, and marketing, not effectiveness. Many of these products rely on weak acids or chelating agents that only remove surface-level rust, which means the corrosion underneath continues to spread silently. This is why so many people report rust returning within just a few weeks after treatment. In contrast, phosphoric acid is used in industrial environments like shipbuilding and heavy machinery maintenance because it delivers consistent and deep chemical reactions with rust. The difference is not just visible, it's measurable. While commercial removers may reduce rust temporarily, phosphoric acid chemically alters it, preventing further oxidation. When you compare the cost, a single liter of phosphoric acid can treat multiple panels at a fraction of the price of branded sprays. Now, let's discuss how phosphoric acid actually works. To understand why phosphoric acid is so powerful, you need to understand what rust actually is. Rust is iron oxide. That is, a compound formed when metal reacts with oxygen and moisture over time. And this process accelerates in humid environments, like many regions where cars are constantly exposed to moisture. Phosphoric acid works by initiating a chemical reaction that converts iron oxide into iron phosphate, which is a stable compound that stops further corrosion. This reaction is not just theoretical. It's widely used in industrial corrosion control. When applied, you will notice the rust turning black, which is a clear indication that the conversion process is taking place. Unlike surface cleaners, this process penetrates into the microscopic layers of rust, ensuring that it doesn't return quickly. Research has shown that treated surfaces can resist further rusting for significantly longer periods compared to untreated or superficially cleaned metal. This is why professionals prefer phosphoric acid. It doesn't just remove rust, it fundamentally changes the chemistry of the metal surface. Now, let's discuss step-by-step process of $1 chemical trick. Now let's talk about how to actually use phosphoric acid. And trust me, if you do this correctly, the results can be shocking. First, you need to clean the surface. This step is critical because it allows the acid to directly attack the rust instead of sitting on top of dirt. Before applying the phosphoric acid, wear the safety goggles and gloves. Next, apply phosphoric acid using a brush or spray bottle. Make sure the area is evenly covered. As soon as it touches the rust, the chemical reaction begins. Now here's where patience comes in. Let it sit for about 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how severe the rust is. During this time, you will actually see the rust changing color. After that, you can lightly scrub the area again if needed. For heavy rust, you may need a second application. Finally, wipe it clean and rinse with water. Once dry, you can apply primer or paint for long-term protection. This entire process costs a fraction of what you'd spend on commercial rust removers, but delivers professional-level results. When done correctly, this method can restore heavily rusted parts to a near-original condition, something most commercial products fail to achieve even after repeated use. Many customers asked me a common question. Where this method can be used? This is not just for body panels. One of the biggest advantages of phosphoric acid is its versatility across different parts of a vehicle. Rust doesn't just affect visible panels. It often starts in hidden areas like the underbody, where nearly 60% of structural corrosion begins due to constant exposure to water, dirt, and road contaminants. It's also highly effective on bolts and fasteners, where rust can increase removal torque by up to 300%, making repairs extremely difficult. By treating these components, you not only remove rust, but also make future maintenance easier. Additionally, it can be used on suspension parts, brackets, and even tools, making it a valuable solution beyond just cosmetic repairs. In restoration projects, professionals rely on this method to revive vehicles that would otherwise be considered beyond repair, as the chemical strength that makes it effective can also cause damage if misused. Mistakes you must avoid while using phosphoric acid. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people mess up. Phosphoric acid is powerful, and that's exactly why it works so well. But if you misuse it, you can damage your car or even harm yourself. Tip number 1. Always wear gloves and eye protection before starting the process. Even small splashes can irritate your skin or eyes. Tip number 2. Never apply it under direct sunlight, because heat can speed up the reaction too much and reduce effectiveness. Tip number 3. Don't leave it on for too long. More time doesn't mean better results. Tip number 4, and most importantly, always rinse the area properly after treatment. Tip number 5, ventilation is another factor that is often ignored. Working in a well-ventilated area reduces exposure to fumes and ensures safer handling. Phosphoric acid is one of the safest and most effective rust removal methods available. But ignoring these precautions can turn a simple job into a costly mistake. So, the next time you see rust on your car, don't rush to buy expensive miracle products. You now know the truth. This $1 chemical will make your car look brand new. Phosphoric acid gives you industrial-level results at a fraction of the cost, and when used correctly, it can completely change the way you maintain your car. Instead of wasting money on products that only deliver temporary fixes, you can now take control and achieve long-lasting results yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of dealing with rust problems. And let me know in the comments, what's the worst rust damage you have ever seen on a car? And did you manage to fix it or not?